Good morning, everybody. My name's Allie. If you've never been to my channel, thanks for coming. I have been doing freestyle type paintings lately, and I am doing another comb pour. I don't know why I got into these, but I did. So I'm just gonna start layering some colors. See what happens. These are, I'm not using as many today as I was. See how that turns out. These freestyles, if you do a bunch of them, you sure do use a lot of paint. That's one thing I can say about a Dutch pour. You don't really lose too much unless you screw up. So, yeah, these are a lot of paint involved. But it's part of it, right? So I'm going to repeat these. That's what my intentions were here of leaving out some of the colors, is I wanted to repeat these twice. And I had so many, I wasn't able to do that last time. At the end of this, aren't I? Look at there. Barely enough. So all these paints are by Mott. Still, I'm still using those. I always do when I do these freestyles because they're a lot less expensive. I get them on Amazon, and yeah, so all right, this is gonna work pretty good. Now red was my last one, but I'm gonna put a layer of this dark blue, like navy blue. I mixed this myself, but yeah, I think I like the fact that it starts and ends with the same. I don't know why, but okay, let me get my comb and a torch. We will start. I'm just gonna get the edges, since they always, they're never covered, it seems like. Okay, alrighty. I'm going to start coming through. I'm going to start at the bottom first, I guess. I'll do this one more time. I see bubbles everywhere. Everywhere. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go straight up and then back down. Let's do it. Okay, one. These colors are very colorful. I like it. Now, I really didn't want that much blue at the bottom. Look at that. Ugh, I better stop. I'll just... try to be careful. If you go too fast, I've noticed that it will totally blend or muddy your colors. Maybe not every time, but just be careful of that, because I don't bear all the way down to the bottom, because that'll do it as well. Okay, that's pretty. this way. Go real slow so you don't over mix them. It will be worth it. Because they will overmix easy. And so I mixed these paints with just floetrol and no water, unless you need it, unless you have thick paint. 1 part floetrol, about 1/3 part paint, maybe a little less. And here's the last one. Okay, here we are. All right, so I guess I'm just gonna swirl it around and see what I get. Me. Trying to make a different design. It's just hard to figure out what's best, really. That's pretty cool. I'm wondering if I shouldn't let this go off the edge. I think I will over here. Just a little bit to stretch it. Yeah, like that. It's pretty cool. No particular design, just craziness. Just craziness. But very colorful, I'll give it that. Wow. Pretty colors. Well, let me know what you think of this. I'm not sure where in the heck I'll hang it. Who knows? But it's extremely colorful and extremely cool. Alright guys, there you go. Another comb video. Maybe I'll move on to something different tomorrow. I will see you next video. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.